Okay guys, tatlo na ang aking player. Ito po, Platinum Junior Lite PS5, yung Pensonic 25KB 45, Pensonic 25KB 4507, at yung ito naman yung isa. Wait. Ito po yung Lexing LX12 LX 158 DMD UI. Ito naman yung, kasi ito si Platinum Junior Lite, yung mga CD niya is yung volume 16 at yung volume 25 and yung volume 8. Ito naman yung 45KB 4507 ko guys, is meron yung ano lang, volume 8.1010. Compatible naman rito yung 240-60 songs tsaka yung 1836, kasi dyan yung hindi gumana yung 9098 o 9,900 song Tyrants ko. Yung CD naman nito yung volume yung 2019, yung 201900 song Tyrants 2023 version. Compatible dyan yung 240-60 songs, yung 9,900 song Tyrants, so yung 136. Sana lang magkaroon na ako ng 68,900 songs. Yan lang, thank you.